The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 is shaping up to be one of the biggest upgrades yet in Samsung's clamshell phone series. This time, the changes start right on the outside. A recent leak from a One UI 8 software build has given us a sneak peek at the Flip 7's most exciting new feature, a large, nearly edge-to-edge cover screen that wraps around both rear cameras. That means the small outer display from the Z Flip 6 might soon be gone. The leak showed animation files for the Flip 7 inside the One UI 8 firmware, and they reveal how much bigger the outer screen might be. When compared to the Flip 5 and Flip 6, the Flip 7's outer display looks like a huge improvement. If this turns out to be true, Samsung could finally match, or even beat, what competitors like Motorola and Xiaomi have done. Earlier rumors suggested a bigger cover screen, but this leak is the clearest sign yet. The new display might measure about 4 inches, up from the 3.4-inch screen on the Flip 6. While it might not sound like a big jump, it would completely change how people use the phone. With more screen space, you could reply to messages, check emails, or navigate maps without opening the phone. Up until now, Samsung limited most apps to the main display. Power users had to rely on the Good Lock customization app to unlock extra features on the cover screen. But with this new, larger screen in One UI 8, Samsung might finally support full apps on the outer display. That means more convenience and less flipping. To be honest, Samsung's outer displays on older Flip models have lagged behind the competition. Motorola's Razr Plus already has a 3.6-inch screen that runs full apps, and Xiaomi's Mix Flip is testing a true edge-to-edge 4-inch panel. These brands turned their cover screens into mini smartphones. Meanwhile, Samsung focused more on perfecting the hinge and making the phones water-resistant. Now, it looks like Samsung is ready to catch up. If the Flip 7's outer screen really is this good, it could become a proper hub for daily tasks. For people new to flip phones, this is a big deal. Think about how often you check notifications, reply to messages, or take selfies. On the Flip 6, the small screen made those tasks tricky. A 4-inch screen would fix that and make the Flip 7 much more useful even when it's closed. But that's not all. Rumors say the Flip 7 will have a 6.85-inch main AMOLED display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, perfect for scrolling and watching videos. The outer display is expected to be AMOLED too, though it might have a 60Hz refresh rate. Inside, the phone might use the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, though some regions could get the Exynos 2500. The Flip 7 could come with 12 GB of RAM and storage options of 256 GB and 512 GB. For cameras, we might see a 50-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 10-megapixel selfie camera. The phone will likely have a 4300 mAh battery with 25-watt wired charging. Of course, it'll launch with One UI 8 running on Android 16, making it one of the first foldables with this software. As for the release date, all signs point to July 2025. That fits Samsung's usual summer launch schedule for foldables. If the leaks and rumors are true, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 could finally get everything right. Not just style, but real usefulness too. So whether you're already a flip phone fan or thinking about trying one, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 looks like it'll be worth the wait. With a bigger, smarter cover display and powerful hardware, this could be the flip phone that finally changes the game.